rises in the east and it sets in the west. That's why we bring you the best, and what you hear is not a test. So everybody check it out, 1, 2. This goes out to my peeps and to all other crews. So be prepared for the new flavor of the year that I kick into your ear. Cause I'm streetwise, cause of self-control. The hoodies is on the stroll, hoodies on the road. For your mind, heart, body and soul.
You're a catch up, match up with your style. I'm the kid with the high profile, going back wild. Scooby-Dooby-Doo on the 1 and 2. I'm coming through like the Woo, put on your shoes. I teach you a lesson, so stop stressing. I fix it, mix it down. The sound from K-Town, ready to smoke a pound. Me, my peeps getting mad deep on the streets with mad beats.
You take myself, you take my self-control. You take myself, you take my self-control. You take myself, you take my self-control. You take myself, you take my self-control.
Come on now.
You take myself, you take my self-control.
And it won't stop.
You take myself, you take my self-control. You take myself, you take my self-control.
Check it out.
You take myself, you take my self-control.
We got the self-control, cruise control.
And I stopped being a victim, cause they brought to life by the 10-point system. I'm a rude boy, mad attitude. You know the name of the clique, so don't try to take me out of sight. Cause I'll be shining bright in the heat of the night. So what's the funk? I love the Mary Jane in the trunk. I deliver purple haze and some super skunk. You know I got it going on, G.
Don't copycat my style, don't copycat my shit, cause it's ready to hit while I'm smoking this spliff. Nobody do it like this, Nick, now patty whack, give a dog a bone. I pass to you the microphone, word is born. MC Akeem is Charlene, ready to scheme. Call us the dream team, making the cream on the scene. Yes, me and the crew on the 1 and 2. Call me here to show you what we gonna do.
You take myself, you take my self.